Shlama Friends, how are you all? Would you like to help me with a 5-star review? It's super easy. I am so excited to announce that my new book, Aramaic 10-Day Journey in Israel, is now available on Aazon.com. If this book touched your heart or opened your eyes to the treasures of Aramaic faith and culture, would you bless me by leaving a 5-star review? Here's how you can help me step by step, and it will only take a minute. Step 1. Sign in to your Amazon account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Click the link in the description of the podcast below, or type my name in Amazon, AndreMoubarak. Step 3. Choose the rating, 5 stars. Write a few words. Maybe what you enjoyed most about the journey. Example, this book brought the Aramaic world to life. A must-read for Bible lovers. Step 4. Click submit and you're done. Your review makes a huge difference. It helps more readers discover the beauty of our ancient faith and supports my future work. Thank you so much for walking this journey with me. Together, we are restoring the voice of the East. If you like to buy my book also on Amazon, write the following: Aramaic 10-Day Journey in Israel, to buy the book from our website. This is the link, twinsbiblicalacademy.com/shop taude. Thank you in Aramaic.